YouTubers, my friend just came up with the dumbest idea. He's gonna hit that bird with a stick. Just look at it. Come on. Just look at it. Well, and he missed. What a dumbass. He missed. Wow. It's just beautiful, guys. But make sure to not hurt the animals while rescuing them. The reason why we're taking this bird is because it's been right over there. It's been over there for half an hour. And now we're worried that its mom isn't coming back. So we're gonna put it in a safe place where its mom can see her. And hopefully she comes back, cause this bird is gonna die soon. Let's just hope it doesn't. My friend is back. Let's see what's his other dumb plan. Oh, it looks like it's gonna jump. It really looks like it's gonna jump.
It's not going to jump. This boy.
Let's just hope it doesn't jump and it gets down safely. If it jumps, it gets down safely. Okay, here are the weapons, so-called weapons. Oh shit, I think I just heard a bee this tree. Oh, was just passing by. Lock and low, buddy. Let's see. Oh, attempt number 2, almost. Let's see attempt number 3. The bird is coming to us, but not too straight to us. It's just sitting there. It's Bud's bird. Attempt number 3 failed. Attempt number 4 right now. If he gets it, go down safely so we can get it.
But call you, bird.
But if it misses it, time up, bro.
Bear.
Nah, dog.
But he just a bear.
He just missed the 4th attempt. Let's see part 5. Just kidding. Yeah, no, let's see part 5. Guys, please make sure to like and subscribe. I'm new here. I rescue animals. Bro, he missed again.
But he just missed.
Guys, make sure to like and subscribe. Follow for part 2. Bye. Be out. Peace.